Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a very beautiful wall hanging. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a sturdy wooden dowel, ideally at least 12 inches wide, and a selection of your favorite yarns. Don't forget a good pair of sharp scissors. Picking colors that complement your space is key to a stunning final piece. Now, let's dive into the fundamental knotting techniques. Start by attaching your yarn strands to the dowel using the simple yet effective lark's head knot. This forms the base of your design. Next, you'll want to master the square knot, which allows for a wide array of patterns and textures. Remember to maintain consistent tension for a neat and even look. With your basic knots down, it's time to get creative with your design. Don't be afraid to vary the lengths of your yarn strands to create interesting textures and depths. Consider adding decorative elements such as beads or small wooden rings for a unique touch. Playing with color blocking or an ombre effect can also give your wall hanging a truly modern aesthetic. Finally, let's put the finishing touches on your beautiful wall hanging. Carefully trim the bottom fringe to create a clean, even line, giving your piece a polished look. Then, securely attach a hanging string or cord to both ends of your dowel so it's ready for display. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.